Hi YouTube, Energy Boy 100. In our installment video, we put rubber bushings in between the metal, right here, and the wood on each corner to muffle some of the sound and vibration into the wall. So today's video is another mod, a minor change to the drum of our system, where we're going to add a strip of felt around the perimeter where the ball strikes to deaden the sound another almost 50% or more. So here's our setup. We're going to use black and gold for Halloween colors. We're going to make a donut and adhere it to our drum. So let's get started. Okay, so we've taped down our template cardboard, and we're going to put a rod in the middle and draw the two circles for our donut cutout template. Awesome. Okay, so our donut's cut out, and we're going to go ahead and use it to make our first cut on the black, and then we'll use it again to make a cut on the gold. Then we'll put dry erase up on the speed bag drum, and we'll match up our sections. Okay, we're all set up with the gold. While my hot little helper cuts out the black donut, I'm going to go ahead and mark the gold donut. Okay, we successfully cut out the two donuts. Now we're going to cut each into 4 quadrants, and then use 2 of each to make our design on the drum. Okay, we've installed the sections and it looks really good. We're very happy with it. I assure you, it is like more than 50% quieter, and the bounce is the same. You get no reduction in bounce, and you can adjust your bounce by adjusting your length from your swivel, and you can adjust the air pressure in your ball. So I'll give you a quick sample of what it sounds like now.